Jack, what on earth? You're seriously in the dryer. What are you doing? Jack. What are you doing? What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there? Are you in the dryer? Jackson.